In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Microsoft Teams. This is a quick and easy process that only takes a few minutes. Whether you've had a recent name change, want to update your profile for professional reasons, or simply want to reflect a preferred nickname, I'm here to guide you step by step. First, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple profiles, to avoid updating the wrong one. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Teams dashboard, which displays all the channels, teams, and chats you're currently part of. Next, move to the top right corner of your screen, where your profile picture or initials are displayed. Click on this icon to open your profile menu. This menu is your central hub for managing personal information, account settings, and preferences within Teams. Within this menu, look for a small pencil icon. It may be subtle, but this icon is your gateway to editing your profile information. Click on it to enter editing mode. Here you can update your name simply by clicking on the name field and typing your desired name. Take this opportunity to ensure your name is current, accurately spelled, and reflects how you want to be identified. You can include a preferred nickname, correct any previous typos, or adjust capitalization if necessary. After entering your new name, carefully review it to ensure everything looks correct. Double-check for any errors or misspellings, as these changes will be visible to everyone you interact with in Teams. Once satisfied, click the Save button at the bottom of the editing window to confirm your changes. Your new name will now appear across Teams in chats, meetings, and profile views, ensuring colleagues and team members see the updated information. This simple update helps maintain a professional presence and ensures your team's profile is accurate and up to date. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more quick tips and tutorials to help you customize and optimize your Microsoft Teams experience. Happy teaming!